Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Here today we have the new 2021 G25 from Nautique. They took a lot of what they built on the Paragon and put it into the 2021. So the G25, this one, obviously a lot of red on the side. We got some white, and then the bottom with the black hull. As we come around to the back here, a little bit of a redesign on the swim platform. It's got a nice handle on it now. You got a couple cup holders. We did option this with the steer assist underneath here, so you can go in a straight line in reverse, or you can do a quick 360 if you need. Underwater lights, got the surf pipe, and the NSS system. The plates on these new ones are a lot taller than they were in the past, so great redesign. Let's go on in the boat and check it out. Welcome to the interior of the boat. We did a sand interior with the black accents and a little bit of red accents as well. As you can see, you still got the nice walk-through with all the sea deck. These two open up. You've got cavernous storage underneath with all the subfloor ballast. I've got a nice bench that pulls out, so I can fit 2 or 3 people here. I've got a bench back here that I can pull up, and then I can pull this up as well. And then all the Nautiques are all on hinges, which is nice. So you can fit things all the way through, sea deck underneath. Up on the tower, we did the 8.8 JL audio speakers with the down lighting. We got the Bimini installed. We've got the 12.4-inch link pen array. And then the bow was redesigned a little bit, a little more space up there as well, but the G25, just a massive boat. Bring all your friends, surfing, wakeboarding, whatever you want to do. Come on down to MarineMax of Rogers, take a look at this boat, and as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.